How to format SD card on Android. Just watch on. This tutorial will give you the answer. Part 1. Preparation for formatting Android SD card. To complete the syncing process more effectively and safely, you can select Mobikin Assistant for Android as your helper. It allows you to transfer Android files, both from internal memory and external SD card to computer within simple clicks. Now, let's begin syncing Android SD card files to PC. Connect the Android phone with SD card to computer via USB cable and launch the installed software as well. Here you should remember to enable USB debugging on your device or the program would fail to detect the connected phone. Default text: the tool will detect all the files on your phone automatically and list them in the left panel. Just click on the wanted categories to preview them. Then, you can select and check the files you want to back up in the right pane and hit on Export button to back them up. Notice, if you want to back up all the files on your device, you can enter Super Toolkit from the main interface and click on Backup to transfer all the files within one simple click. Part 2. Tutorial on how to format SD card on Android. Choose the menu and then click on Settings to enter the section. Find out the option Phone Storage and tap on Unmount SD card. Then you need to validate it. Finally, just click on Format SD card and follow the procedure to complete the formatting.